H2O provides a fully self-contained feature store. We have our own native offline and online engines built in. The platform manages feature metadata, versioning, storage, and serving, deployed as Kubernetes native services for high availability. Features are created through registration from ingested raw data, and feature sets can be derived from other features and composed into reusable pipelines. This could be customer behavioral features derived from transaction history combined with engagement scores from interaction data. The platform maintains a searchable catalog of projects and features. Data scientists can discover features based on content, tags, and usage patterns, and request access to features. When someone across your organization already created days since last purchase or a sentiment score from support calls, you can find and reuse these features rather than rebuilding them from scratch. Our feature store supports materialization to both offline storage for training and online storage for low latency inference. Features are transformed once, versioned, and synchronized between environments. When Driverless AI trains a model, it can automatically architect and register new features into the feature store, or it can register trained models as feature generators themselves. So your AutoML becomes a feature discovery engine. Let's say that Driverless AI found that clustering these 3 columns was very predictive in some scenarios. That engineered feature that a human may never have thought of is now available as part of a Mojo pipeline for other data scientists in the feature store. And while we do have our own engines, we're not dogmatic. You can ingest feature data from external systems. For specialized needs, Driverless AI supports custom recipes that can query third-party feature stores, and our generative AI platform can integrate external feature stores through custom MCP tools.